Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I have a project share today. I made a super cute little garden caddy. You may have seen this. This is not my design. I did change it up a bit. But this is a craft caddy that I just decided to turn into a little garden tote or a little gardening caddy. It's going to be hard to see. So here on the front, there's some pockets, and you can see I just made some little flags. Like if you were planting a garden, you would put these in to, just to indicate what's planted where. So I have some flowers here on the left, and I have vegetables here on the right. I thought they were super cute. I have some little gardening gloves. I tried to find these are actual gardening gloves. I tried to find an SUV. No, not an SUV. An SVG to make a little, pair of paper gardening gloves. I just couldn't find one. But what I did find, what I thought was super cute, was I did find this little hand cultivator. How cute is that? And then this tiny little, this is a cultivator. This is like a little, what is this thing? A little spade, a little digger. You can see, it's shining. And I bent it there. I used this silver foil cardstock, but I'm upset I wrinkled it, but that's okay. Not so upset that I printed another one. So in that pocket is the little tools. This, you can see the inside there. This is another larger pocket. I just went to the dollar store and grabbed some, these are actual seed packets. I was going to print off, a fake seed packet, but I thought, why not go for the real thing? I thought it was cute. And then over here, there are two smaller pockets in the front, but I actually put some vegetable seeds packets, some carrots, peppers, and cucumbers. And then I made some cute little tags that I put in there, and I will show you those in a minute. And then on this side, so there are two more flowers, morning glories and snapdragons. And then you just add the handle, and it's just super, super cute. I made it out of craft cardstock. This is artisan cardstock in craft color. It's a really light craft color. So that's the little caddy. And then this is the little mini album. It's very, very small. It actually fits right inside there, and you carry it around. Just super cute. If I do say so myself. So let me show you first. This is the paper collection sorry for the glare. It's Blossoms in Springtime. It is exclusive to Country Craft Creations. You can visit the store, and I purchased the 12 by 12, and I actually received 8 by 8 pack in one of my design team packages. So I used the 8 by 8 for the smaller book. And I do have a design team haul video where I show that paper collection if you want to go see each individual page. But this is the little album that I made. It is I believe it's 5 by 7. Yes. It's 5 by 7. I use some, can you see I don't know, it's hard to tell with my light, but this is actually holographic paper. It's yellow. When you move it one way, then it looks orange. Then if there's pink around, it looks pink, has some pink in it. So I just used my brother's Scan and Cut and cut out some letters that say hello spring And they look really, really orange on my computer, but and it is orange, but it's not quite that reddish orange. And then I just did some white dot dash lines, and I did an offset with the yellow. And then I made these cute little flowers you may have seen I've had on Instagram. It's a Nicole Silhouette die. It's a die set of these little teeny tiny flowers. Look at that little tiny one. Super fun to make. And then I just have some seam binding from the shop. And then I have this gold thread. I think I got this at Michael's or Joann's. It's DMC. Diamante Grande. I don't know. It's gold. So, and then this is just a little silk flower, a little fake flower that I have in my stash. I don't know where I got that. And then I have some sequins here to match the paper collection. And this is one of the little sentiments that's in the paper collection. It says, I wrote hello spring, obviously, and then a breath of fresh air. Although I say, I say hello spring, but we have some snow showers here today. It's raining, it's cold, and it's April 9th. So I don't think it's ever going to stop snowing. I don't know. Mother Nature fell and hit our head. But anyway, so you can see I love this paper. I love daisies, and I love, these cute little flowers, and yellow is one of my favorite colors. So I mentioned it's 5x7. It has an 1.5 inch spine. There's a good shot of the paper on the back. Just so pretty and springy. You can see it's not very thick. It's 1.5 inches thick. I only have 3 pages. I didn't go crazy with flips and flaps like I normally do. And I know everybody sit down, you're going to be shocked. There's no waterfall. So I tried to keep this really simple. It came together really, really quickly. But I mean, how sweet. So I mentioned I used the 8x8 paper pad. But I did go into the 12x12 and take out some of the tags. So I think these are 3x5. Look at how gorgeous these little baby chicks. I can't. I absolutely love it. And look at the gorgeous flowers. I don't know. I'm going to have to ask Tammy what that flower is. I don't know if that's a snapdragon. I don't think it's a gladiolus. I think it's a snapdragon. And then I just backed it on some of the craft cardstock that I used to give it, a little more stability. So we have a little pocket here, and one of the sentiments is all the world in blossom, and I added a little butterfly. I just punched it out. I have I think that's a 1/2 inch circle punch. And then here you can see there's 3. Again, I mentioned I just did 3 simple pages. These are just, my typical sleeve page. And they have a tag on the inside. And then I just decided these were too beautiful not to use. So I kind of did make a flap. I didn't go crazy though. There's only 3 flaps. So look at this sweet little lamb. Oh, he's just adorable. And the beautiful flowers. So what I did is I just added 1 inch by whatever that was. I think that was 3 inches or 3, maybe 4 inches, whatever it was. And added a flap and then glued it inside the pocket so that it would flap like this. And on the inside, I just took one of the little tags from the Cut Apart and Tags page. And then tiny little teeny tiny, I hope you can see it. Oh, the glare is horrible. The little bunny, how cute is he? And then the 2 little chicks in the basket. And then I just backed it on a piece of the pattern paper, and then just made a little tuck spot there. And then look at this, and the little ducks and the little basket, and a breath of fresh air. and then it flips over this way, and then there's a little pocket, tiny little pocket. This part right here is the bottom of this page. I really, so you can kind of, I hope you can tell that it kind of continues. I really loved these old worn boots and the hat and the baskets, so I just wanted to keep that. You can see here on this tag, there's another one of those little flowers that I made. And then there's two more of the cute little tags that I did not punch the hole and put the twine in. I meant to do that. I will go back and do that. And then, so this page has the beautiful clover. I think those are clovers. I don't know if that's a pansy. I don't know. But this little sentiment says, songbirds sing to welcome spring. And again, there's another one of those tags with the cute little... Is that a lamb or is that a full-grown sheep? I can't tell. But anyway, look at the bunnies. Look at their faces. They are just adorable. And then this is one of the, from one of the sentiments, I just cut it off. I just cut off the word spring. I added, again, another one of those little lambs. I punched it with a 1-inch circle punch. And then there's just another tag there for some photos and journaling. And then over here, I don't know if these are churches or they're just birdhouses, or, but they just look gorgeous with the beautiful flowers. And then I just added another one of the sentiments. It says, life is a beautiful field of flowers. And then this is the last page. Again, more bunnies in a basket. Can't get enough of those. Then I just took one of the sentiments and matted it and added it to my tag. It says, there is sunshine in my heart today. And then when you open it up, there's one of those cute little bunnies. You can tuck a photo back behind there. And then it says, spring has sprung. And I love this wood grain paper. It's just gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. And then I think I showed you another tag. And then here is the last page. It says, hello springtime, with the cute little sheep and the little lambs. And then the last page of the inside back cover has a pocket. It says April showers and May flowers. And then I just punched out another one of those butterflies. And then here's another one of the gorgeous, gorgeous tags. Again, I just backed it on, backed it with some craft cardstock to give it a little more stability, make it a little stronger. That just looks gorgeous. I added another one of those little flowers that I made, and I added some green and white twine. Just so pretty. And then there's those two cute little tags. And that's it. And then back to the back cover. Just wanted to share that with you. I did not do a step-by-step tutorial, but if people are interested, I can provide a cutting guide. I just wanted to share the project with you. So if you haven't already, please like this video and subscribe and ring the notification bell so that you'll know every time I upload a new video. Once I get to 2,500 subscribers, I'm going to do a huge giveaway. Who knows, it might include some, I don't know, maybe some Country Craft Creation gift card and some papers. I don't know, haven't decided yet. But anyway, again, if you'd like to see a step-by-step tutorial, again, the craft tote or the tote is not my own personal design, but I will put a link in the description box so that you can go over and you can, right now her name is escaping me, but it will be in the description box, so you can go over and follow her tutorial. But if you'd like to see the step-by-step tutorial of how I created the mini album, I'd be happy to do it, if enough people are interested. So, yeah, that's it. I hope you have a great weekend, and I will see you in the next video.